Hey everybody, welcome back. Thomas here. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on my Datsun 240Z. I haven't had much work done on it, or haven't done much work on it in the past 4 or 5 months. Been a little bit busy, it's been wintertime. I got married, honeymoon, a few other things. Before the honeymoon, I took it out for a drive and it broke down on me. It stranded me. And I couldn't get it started. Just started spitting and sputtering and finally quit. And I couldn't get it started again. And I just parked it in the garage, got married, went on the honeymoon, and just left it for a couple of months. And then finally started tinkering with it. I looked at the plugs, the wires, the distributor points, the coil. Everything was fine. It was getting good spark. It's got okay compression. Everything looked good. So I just washed my hands of it for a little bit and set it, just left it aside. Now that the weather is getting good, I decided today to take a look at it, and I noticed my fuel filter didn't look like it was filling with gas. Now my fuel pump is a brand new fuel pump, well, a couple years old, so it should be drawing good pressure, or good suction rather. So I checked everything, made sure there was good seal everywhere. And then I checked my gas tank and it was empty. I ran my car out of gas and it sat for 4 months. In my defense, my fuel gauge isn't working very well. It's sporadic. I thought I had more gas, and there was some fuel in the fuel filter itself. So I thought there was gas. There wasn't. Who knew you needed gas to run a car? So it's running now. Here, let me start it up for you guys so you can see. I still need to tune the carbs and get a few things adjusted. I'm actually going to send the car off to Datsun Spirit and have a pro tune the carbs and go through the system and just make sure everything is running really well so I can enjoy the car this summer. I will send you guys, or give you guys an update when it comes back from Datsun Spirit. I'm taking it there next week, I think the 27th. I'm going to have it towed just because it's a little ways away, and I don't quite trust the car yet. And he'll probably have it for a couple weeks, maybe less, maybe more, don't know, depends on what he finds. I kind of want him to go through the whole car and tell me what needs to be done and see what I want him to do and what I might tackle myself. And then hopefully this car will be in good top running condition so I can enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.